Are you wondering how to withdraw your funds from Phantom Wallet and convert them into cash in your bank account? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to cash out your crypto using Coinbase, the most trusted platform for crypto transactions. I'll also explain why investing in a cold wallet is essential for protecting your digital assets. And don't forget to check the description below for special links to Coinbase and some of the best cold wallets on the market. Let's get started. The first step is to transfer your crypto from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. But before we dive into that, let me quickly explain why Coinbase is the best exchange to use for this process. Coinbase is one of the most user-friendly and secure cryptocurrency platforms out there. It's fully regulated, supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and offers bank-level security to protect your assets. On top of that, they often run promotions for new users. So if you sign up using my link below, you'll get a bonus when you make your first deposit. So make sure to click that link and create your account before moving forward. Now, here's how to transfer your crypto from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. Open your Phantom Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click on Send and paste your Coinbase wallet address. If you're unsure where to find this, just log in to your Coinbase account, select the same cryptocurrency, and copy your wallet address from there. Double-check the address to ensure there are no errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. Once everything is correct, click Send. Your funds should arrive in Coinbase shortly, but transaction times may vary depending on network congestion. Once your crypto has arrived in Coinbase, the next step is to convert it into fiat currency. Here's how you can do that. Open Coinbase and navigate to your crypto wallet. Select Sell and choose the cryptocurrency you transferred. Enter the amount you'd like to sell and confirm the transaction. Within seconds, your crypto will be converted into fiat currency, such as USD, and stored in your Coinbase fiat wallet. Now, let's withdraw that fiat currency to your bank account. In Coinbase, go to your fiat wallet and select Withdraw. Enter your bank details if you haven't already linked your account. Input the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and that's it. Your money will be sent to your bank, typically within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's policies. With Coinbase, this entire process is seamless, and their platform is designed to make buying, selling, and withdrawing crypto as convenient as possible. That's why it's my top recommendation for anyone looking to cash out their funds. Now that you've successfully withdrawn your funds, let's talk about security. If you're holding any amount of cryptocurrency, especially for the long term, keeping it in an online wallet like Phantom or even on an exchange like Coinbase might not be the safest option. The reason? Online wallets and exchanges are constantly connected to the internet, making them vulnerable to hacking attempts, phishing attacks, and even platform outages. This is where cold wallets come in. Cold wallets store your crypto offline, which means they're completely disconnected from the internet. This makes them virtually immune to hacking and significantly reduces the risk of losing your assets. Think of a cold wallet as your personal safe for digital currency. Here are some of the best cold wallets you should consider. Keystone, a highly secure, air-gapped wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies and offers advanced security features. Ledger, one of the most popular cold wallets, known for its robust encryption and ease of use. Trezor, a pioneer in the hardware wallet space, offering excellent security and compatibility with a wide range of coins. SafePal, a more budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on security or features. Each of these wallets has its unique strengths, but all of them are designed to protect your crypto from online threats. If you're serious about securing your digital assets, I highly recommend investing in one of these wallets. You can find links to all of them in the pinned comment below. In conclusion, withdrawing your funds from Phantom Wallet and cashing out to your bank account is straightforward when using a trusted platform like Coinbase. Just remember to use the link below to sign up for Coinbase and claim your bonus. And don't forget to invest in a cold wallet to safeguard your crypto for the long term. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and share it with anyone who might benefit. See you in the next one.